with the Cebuano because first time I come here in 2023, I see Filipino and Cebuano and Malaysia are very close, very close. Same place, and then without different but same place. And all Cebuano, I go to Bantayan, I go to Hilangkayaan, I go to Bantayan, I go to Bantayan, goes down to Bogor, Tabuilan, until Balian, until Waan. I mean, in the village, all smile, like you, smile. Easy to smile and very friendly. Easy to smile, very friendly, and I ask all everybody want to answer. So thank you so much for your friendly. Thank you so much for your very sweet smile and whatsoever. Actually, when I come to Malaysia, my friend want to talk to me. You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? You understand? Okay, talk to me. You understand? I think in Filipino they learn English in school. Okay. Among all religions in the world, only Islam and Christian are same. Among all religions in the world, there is a Buddhism, there is a everything. Only Islam and Christian are not the same. We believe on Adam, Eve, Abraham, Solomon, David, Moses, Jesus, all the same. We believe on Jesus and Muhammad, all the same. We believe on the books of Old Testament, all the same. Muslim are not Muslim if they don't believe in Jesus. A Muslim, not a true Muslim, consider Jesus as God. We consider Jesus as the Son of God. That means a pious man. A pious man, that's God. Other than that, we are the same. That's why we come here to explain Islam. Because why? If you see, between you, Christian, old Christian, and Muslim, we are 100% the same. In the Bible, Jesus prayed in the Garden of Eden anyhow. Jesus prayed. When Jesus wants to pray to God, they pray, go and roll the hand again. And the head go upon the earth. That is how Jesus prayed to his Lord. And who prayed again? A Muslim prayed again. And who? We are the twin. A Muslim are not Muslim if they are not twin. Twin practiced by our father Abraham. Abraham is our father. And you are Christian, our forefather is Abraham. Muslim, our forefather is Abraham. The twin is practiced by Abraham. Begin by Abraham.
Sunod lang muna.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Sekali lagi. An la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Okay, I will translate ha. Ako nagsasaksi na walay laing Diyos na dapat sambahon kundi ang Allah lamang. O ako nagsasaksi na si Propeta Muhammad kapag katapusan na sugo. O ako nagsasaksi na si Jesucristo ulipon o sugo ni Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ulipon o sugo ni Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah Akbar. Rufilen, Jerome, Jennifer,
5-5 lang bro. 5-5 ba?
Mari Chris, hanggang